They're back, they're bad, and ready to throw some sparks. If you have a classic ride powered by the iconic Ford Flathead, then you'll be excited to know that Mallory, your source for performance parts for nearly 90 years, has reintroduced distributors for the Ford Flathead. Whether it's an early 1932 to 41 Flathead with a 3-bolt mount, or the newer 1942 to 48 version with a 2-bolt mount, or even the 49 to 53, Mallory has a distributor just for you. Get yourself a distributor with a tried and true dual-point setup, or choose a more modern electronic version powered by our reliable Unilite ignition. All 3 versions feature a durable, build aluminum housing for a classic look, and a fully adjustable mechanical advance lets you custom tailor the timing advance curve to your engine's needs. Distributors come complete with a heavy-duty cap and rotor, as well as a removable housing, which makes adjustment or replacing the points fast and easy. If you're going to go old school, then we add a pair of heavy-duty points that help reduce spark scatter and let you wind up the RPMs. These distributors are perfect for triggering a point-specific coil, like our Mallory part number 29219, or you can use it to trigger one of our Hi-Fire CD ignition boxes. If you're looking for accurate, maintenance-free ignition timing, then pick up a Flathead Ford distributor with our Unilite ignition. It utilizes a photo-optic LED triggering system that never needs adjustment and won't wear out. And with the Unilite, you'll get longer spark plug life, improved combustion, and better cold weather starts. Now's a great time to upgrade your engine spark plug wires too. We offer universal 8mm wire kits that will make burnt spark plug boots a thing of the past. Mallory's high-temp ceramic spark plug boots can withstand temperatures up to 2,000 degrees at the spark plug. Choose a boot design that's right for you. We have universal wire sets with straight, 90-degree, and 135-degree boots in your choice of HEI or socket-style distributor ends. They're ideal for vehicles with close tolerance headers or anywhere extreme heat or boot failure is an issue. So go ahead and light up your old Flathead with a distributor from Mallory. Thanks for watching. For more information on Mallory distributors for the Ford Flathead or any of our other great ignition components, visit our website at mallory-ignition.com.